So the MS Duisburg is another one of the ships in the class similar to the Co-Caith that features in one of my previous videos. Designed to operate on the European waterways and navigate under the lower bridges. She has steppable masts fore and aft, as well as a raise and lower wheelhouse. They're an interesting configuration, these ships, and they perform an important function. They're getting the hatch covers moved now, sliding them along and stacking them up fore and aft. So I don't think it'll be many moments before they start discharging the load on her. As you can see, as we just pan around the port a little way, there are already a lot of bricks here, as well as a lot of timber, and there'll be lots more, especially timber, stacked up further back in the port as well. And there's a large pile of the scrap metal that they export from here, ready to go on a ship as well. There we go, the forklift being loaded into the hold, ready to move the bricks so that the crane can grab them. So, as we get a look at the discharge from the drone point of view, the first thing we see is the personnel cage being lowered onto the hold with the stevedores on it. The crane has already put 2 forklifts down in the hold ready. Then we see the operatives on the dock side changing the attachment on the crane for the one that's going to lift the bricks out. So that now goes in. And as you can see, there are 2 forklifts down there operating to start with in a fairly confined space. They each place pallets of bricks on the platform. This in turn is lifted out by the crane and it's placed dockside where the other forklifts unload it and proceed to stack the bricks. As the discharge continues, the space in the hold will grow, making it easier for those forklifts to manoeuvre.
A little bit of information about the Duisburg. She's a classic short sea general cargo vessel rather than a large ocean-going container ship, at around 100 metres long and with roughly 2,300 tonnes of carrying capacity. Vessels of this type are particularly useful for moving relatively modest cargoes between European ports. Her records show calls and trading involving places including Rotterdam, Goul, Szczecin, Tallinn, Wismar and Hamburg, illustrating the sort of North Sea, Baltic trade for which she's used. She was involved in an interesting incident in 2021, and it was a collision which occurred on the 5th of November when she collided head-on with the inland cargo vessel Archipel at Wesel on the Rhine. Both vessels suffered substantial bow damage. Duisburg subsequently went to Rotterdam and was later repaired. She was back in service afterwards. Records show her leaving Zwijndrecht in February 2022 and subsequently loading bricks for the UK. There can be some confusion regarding her name. As of February 2026, she is no longer officially named RMS Duisburg. She was renamed just Duisburg. The owner is recorded as Duisburg Shipping SA, with Navgo Limited as manager, and the flag is Antigua and Barbuda. So once again, thanks for watching, and please, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to both like and subscribe. See you again soon.